So we are unboxing the Urban chair. So from here we are cutting this, and then this. Okay. Once we cut this, we have to remove this. This first, this is back. Sit here. We are going to sit. This is the base with hydraulic. First, removing this. Now we remove all tapes from this back. Now you can see. You can see back here. The first thing is that we need to check that everything is correct or not. Is there any defect in this product? Here you can see the three bolts, and this is clear pass sign. Okay, now unboxing this seat. We have this bag. Sorry, we can check is there any defect here or not. So it's look like no defect. It's look like no defect here. Now we can install this. So now we are unboxing this base. सबसे नीचे रहेगा यहाँ पे ऐसे देख सकते हो आप साइज, ये सब चेक कर सकते हो। एंड देन ये हाइड्रोलिक यहाँ पे अटैच होता है, हाइड्रोलिक ब्लॉक या हाइड्रोलिक, इसको हमें निकालना पड़ता है। We are removing this. This is the hydraulic. You can see this is our hydraulic. You can find some oil here. This is box. You have to open this box. In that box you will find the Allen key. Allen key will help us to fit bolts, and some caps which came inside this box. It will help. Okay, this is the cap. So you have to like this. You have to keep it in this hydraulic. So we'll see how to using this Allen key. We have to remove this bolt. We remove bolt from here, and now look at this. So here we need to attach this. So how you will attach? So you have to find like this. And then we have attached like this. You can adjust it like how you want. You can adjust. Yeah, I need this much. Okay, this is enough for me. So I am Now fitting the bolts. So this is my middle bolt. Now we are going to insert this hydraulic in base. यहाँ से देखना पूरा क्लीन है ना. ओके, दिस इज क्लीन नाउ. सो ये क्लीन है अभी पूरा. तो हाइड्रोलिक सिंपली आपको लेना है और सिंपली यहाँ पे ऐसे इंसर्ट करना है. ठीक है, बाद में अपने आप बैठ जाता है. ओके, ये हाइड्रोलिक फिट हुआ हमारा. उसके बाद इसके ऊपर लगेंगे कैप्स. जो कैप हमने ये लिए थे, ये कैप इस तरीके से लगेंगे. जो सबसे छोटा वाला है वो सबसे ऊपर आएगा. माइट बी यू फेस सम इशू बिकॉज ऑफ दिस. तो आप इस जो एक्स्ट्रा पार्ट है उसको रिमूव कर सकते हो इस तरीके से. आप इसको रिमूव कर सकते हो. Now inserting this cap like this. Okay, now see this hole. You have to enter, you have to put this hole in this chair. Now it is quite simple. Now you are successfully installed this chair. Now you can see I can go down, even I can go up with this chair. Okay, if you like this video, then do subscribe, share.